Hey, what's up guys? I'm Liv. Today we're going to be opening up the Mavic Air 2. It's a drone. It is by the brand DJI. This is going to be the first part of the video. It's kind of a joke because I know nothing about cameras or anything like that. That's all Cody. I don't even know how to open it. But this is his joke to me and for you. Hopefully not. Okay, so you open it up and it looks like this. Looks like a case. Oh, it has a fun drawer. Oh. So look in the drawer first. Maybe. It looks like it has a little pocket. Has a fun quick start guide. So we're beginners to drones. Looks like a cord. Maybe another cord. This is really nice. Nice case. It feels like it has a lot of cushion to it. It'd be good for traveling, maybe putting it in your backpack. Oh look, this is the little guy right here. Look how cute. This is Mavic Air 2. How fun is that? This is like the camera. So it unfolds. I'm not gonna do that because this is accessories. Might be a battery. Look at that monster. Anyway, I think this is enough of a joke from me for the time being. So it's a charger cord. Looks like a laptop one. That's the reason I know that. I'm gonna let him go.
Hey guys, this is Cody here, coming a little bit after her video here, which was awesome. So we actually did pick up the DJI Mavic Air 2 drone from Best Buy. We did get the Fly More combo, which I'll go into what all comes with that. The reason we kind of picked this one is just because it fits kind of nicely in between the Mavic Mini and the Mavic 2 series, including the Mavic 2 Pro and the Zoom. But this one kind of fit more boxes for us and was a little bit more affordable price for, we don't really need those Pro features, so we thought it was a good little compromise. It does come with a 1/2-inch sensor. It does shoot 4K video up to 60 frames per second, and also has a 48 megapixel camera, able to shoot some HDR photos and videos, and then it does have an 8K hyperlapse mode. What's big about it is it has the OcuSync 2.0, which means that the connection between the phone and the controller to the device actually goes up to what they're saying is 10 kilometers with 1080p 30 frame per second video, which is actually pretty good. But the main thing is it's got a little bit bigger image sensor on the Mavic Air 2 than compared to the Mini and some of the other previous Mavic versions, and so that's kind of nice for increased dynamic range, a little bit better pictures and photos. So that's kind of why we went through that. Talk about the drone now. So as far as size-wise and feel, I mean, it feels pretty solid. It's got pretty good construction. It doesn't feel flimsy or anything like that. It doesn't feel like a toy or anything. When it comes folded up, it folds down pretty nice and fits in the bag quite well. But all you have to do as far as getting set up, you just, these front arms here, you just slide them forward and come out like that. And then the back ones, actually on the bottom, it's easier if you just kind of push them forward from that side there, and then it's all in position now. And then it does come with a little gimbal protector on there, which you can take off obviously before you start flying. What comes in the box with the Fly More combo, this is their new controller here. On the bottom here, you do have these little spots here where the joysticks do come out, so you just kind of pop them out and then screw them on where they need to go. And then as for the phone, it actually goes on the top of this one, so you can actually just slide this up like that, fit your phone. It actually slides pretty far, so you could fit a large phone with a big case in there for you people that have those really fat cases. The cable here, the one that comes with it is the one for the iPhone, but there are other ones. It does come with a couple other for different phones if you have different phones. With the Fly More combo, you do get a little bit of extra stuff. So you do get 2 extra of their intelligent flight batteries. The flight times for these is supposed to be 34 minutes is what they rated at on their website. So it gives you a little bit of extra room to go for an hour or more. You know, 34 minutes is what they rated it as. You probably won't get it that much, but we'll kind of test it and see and let you know later. And you also get the little charging station here, which you can charge all 3 of the batteries at once, and then obviously the AC power and block to charge those for. But the main difference with the Fly More is you do get the ND filters, which are good for shooting out in bright conditions, and you can, you know, catch things like details in the clouds and things like that. And it also helps a little bit with the video for frame rate, and because if you're shooting video and you want to shoot at 60 frames per second, most time you shoot 120 shutter speed, and so it kind of helps, you know, at least compensate that a little bit. And then these are the 2 extra cables for the remote to connect to your phone if you have something other than an iPhone. And then a USB-C charger, which is kind of nice for the controller there, a little bit faster charging and more data rate and all that. But you also get a lot more propellers, so you get 6 pairs of propellers with the Fly More combo. The main thing too is this bag, which is actually really nice. It has really good quality, and it's quite compact, so you can carry it around wherever you need to go, but kind of hard to see on the inside. But you have kind of a larger pocket and then a divided smaller side. You have a zipper up here, which is actually really hard to find, and we thought we were missing a lot of our stuff, like the ND filters and the USB cord were in here, and we could not find it, so that is something to kind of keep in mind. And then on the back you have a zipper here for the back pouch, but overall it's actually really nice, and it smells pretty good, so that's always good. It passes the smell test. Pretty much all that comes in there. We haven't really used it. We're kind of new to drones, so we're trying to see if this fits with us, but we'll let you know in some later videos.
Alright guys, so that's a video of our box opening of the Mavic Air 2. Stay tuned for shots and footage of us taking it out. We're going to take it out in the next couple of days to the lake and see what kind of cool shots we can get. I know my side of the video obviously was more informational.
Definitely.
Yeah, but anyway, subscribe down below, and so you can stay caught up on all of our upcoming videos.
Thanks for watching.